Let's look at this question. The question reads, if y is equal to a raised to the power 4x squared, then find the y dx. This is a very simple question. So you can approach this question in two ways. Number one, it's either you take the natural log of both sides, then you differentiate and carry out what? Implicit differentiation. You also arrive at the answer. But the second one, I want to use a chain rule. So let me use chain rule to solve this now. Alright, that's what we call composite function. Composite function talks where we have function inside another function. Look at here. Here is a function of x here. And this a is another function. And there is a standard derivative for a. If I have a raised to power x, that is to say, having a power of x. If I have a raised to power x, so the derivative of this now, the derivative of this is going to give me a raised to power x, then ln a. Remember, ln a simply means log a to base e. That is what it means. It's either you put it this way or you put it this way. So you are what? Absolutely what? Correct. So now let's solve this now, approach it with a composite function. So the first thing I will have to do, I will say let u equal to 4x squared. Alright. So it means that what? Therefore this a now, so this will now imply that y equal to what? A raised to power u. So you can as well apply that to what? Standard derivative of this. So this one is a function here. This a stands for what? A number. It could be 2, 3, 4, 5. Or it's not what? An alphabet. Because I put a doesn't mean that what? It has to be what? Alphabetic. No. So it represents a number. And that number must be greater than 0. Alright, must be greater than 1. So what we need to do now, let's differentiate with this. I will differentiate this now. So if I differentiate du dx now, du dx, in this place I am going to use what? Power rule or power law. For those of you that are beginners in calculus, so power rule means that what? If I have x raised to power n, so for me to differentiate s raised to power n, n stands for power, starting from what? 1. Start from 1 what? Or what? As increases. So it becomes this n, we multiply this x, it becomes nx, then I will take 1 away from the power. So this is the derivative of this. So we are going to apply it here. It means that about these 2 here, we multiply whatever we have here. 2 times 4, it will give me 8. 8. Then I will take 1 away from the 2 that I have here. So I'm going to have what? X raised to power 1. Which means x raised to power 1 is what? X. That's for the u dx. Then let us differentiate now y with respect to u. So if I have the y, the u, it's going to give me the standard derivative, which is what? A raised to power u, then ln a. If you don't want to, remember I told you, if you don't want to put it this way, you're going to put it this. No problem. Nobody will penalize you. You are actually referring to the same thing. So ln means what? Log. That is the natural log of what? Numbers. So it means natural log means where the log has what? Base e. That is what? Natural log reading. Okay, you put it this way. Now your final answer, which is dy dx, dy dx is equal to, the chain rule says we're going to have du, okay, dy du rather, dy du times du dx. Okay, so we are going to plug in our values now. What is our dy du? That is it here. So we're going to give us equal to a raised to power u, remember, ln a, then multiply by, what is our du dx? Look at it here, 8x. 8, we have 8x. Okay, but remember, our u is not in the original frame of the question. Our u there is what? 4x squared. Okay, so I can as well bring this down. This 8 will come before this place here. Okay, so that therefore our final answer dy the x will be equal to, we now have 8x, remember, it's coming, then a, our u, we are going to replace it with this, alright, which is what, 4s squared, then ln a. So that is our final answer. Remember, if you don't want to put this in a, you can write the answer like this, or 8s a raised to the power 4s squared log a to base e. So if you put it this way or you put it this way, you are absolutely correct. Okay, that's the end of today's lesson. If you find this class very interesting, please do not hesitate to share this video. Also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Physics and Mathematics Lovers. Bye.